You are going to love the 2022 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power passenger seat, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance.